If you're in private practice and want to improve your supervision of speech pathologists, I wrote a book for you. It's called How to Supervise Speech Pathologists Properly in Private Practice. It's about the benefits of supervision, a bigger impact, a better workplace, being a better professional, getting a competitive advantage, and building a legacy. It's about tackling challenges too, supervising stars, weaker performers, perfectionists, part-timers, mobile and remote teams. It's about confronting the hard stuff, biases and fears, communication overhead, the golem effect, negative feedback, burnout and high turnover. It's for students, new grads and early career speech pathologists, middle managers, sole practitioners, senior managers and practice owners. It covers competencies, training and development, strategic projects, team communications, and supervision approaches calibrated for each employee. We connect people, strategy, systems, decision rights, information flows, motivators, and meaningful performance measures with feedback. How to supervise speech pathologists properly in private practice. Available 8th of April 2021.